Yo, I love y'all guys. I love y'all. I want y'all to know I love y'all. And I'm hype. I'm hype, bro. I'm hype, bro. I'm hype. I'm hype. So today is gonna be something different. It's gonna be a homework stream slash react stream, and we're gonna talk about Streamer University. Yes, chat. I tried to apply, but I applied too late, and that situation is not complicated. I just didn't get the application through. But we gonna be positive, but we gonna do our own thing. Wait, can y'all hear me though? Hold on, this audio is gonna throw me off. But yeah, we gonna do our own thing. We gonna do something different. We gonna do something called a homework stream. Yes, chat. I will be doing my homework on stream. Hopefully, I can show this. Hopefully I can show this. Yeah, so this is my homework. This is my computer science homework. We just gonna be doing this on stream. And no, I'm not cheating. This is not cheating, chat. Alright. Chill out. But let's talk about the Streamer University though. Let's talk about it. So before we get into our work here for a second, um, there's a Streamer University. I wanted to talk about it because it's pretty interesting because couple choices on the list they didn't make sense to me. For example, I don't want to name names. I mean, it don't even matter. Uh, because if you read the list and you do your research, you'll know. But you know, when a person gets chosen because they're attached to somebody and they don't make any content that's real, or they don't make any content that's real, and it's about that person that they're only attached to, I don't really see a point in them just getting accepted into Stream University. That's what I meant, because if they're not a streamer. But yeah, we just gonna get into this, bro. But I love y'all so much, bro. I love y'all. But yeah, I'm so hyped. I want to show y'all the new YouTube channel. I'm gonna show y'all something. I got it right. So if you ever pop down, I mean not pop down, but if you ever pop down, pop by, yes, this is I show speed. But if you ever pop by, bro, this is the channel. Pop by here, subscribe, hit that like button. We gonna get some clips out, get some posts out. If you want to be a moderator or a person who likes to edit or clip videos, don't worry. I'm taking applications through, and I will accept you. And we could work something out, maybe, hopefully. And I'm gonna start building a community. I want to get a Discord server in, so I can have you guys come in. We can do fits. We can do funny things in there, comedy night. Just cool things in there. We can come and hang out and have fun. And we gonna get a Discord going though. We gonna get a Discord going. We gonna do definitely cooking. I want to see if y'all know how to cook though, cause a lot of y'all be like, yeah, a lot of y'all be ordering. I don't think y'all know how to cook, so we gonna see how if y'all know how to cook or not. But yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Um, pop through, pop through, pop through, pop through. Subscribe. Like I said, I got a Discord coming through. But we gonna get into this basically this stream. So let's go and let's get this homework stream going. And yes, I'm trying to be locked in, but I also gotta be entertaining. So oh shoot. I gotta oh nah. Hold on. No, I'm not cheating. This is not cheating, pal. This is not cheating. This is not cheating. This This is not cheating, pal. No. Okay. Stay logged out. I mean, y'all know the method, bro. Y'all always be using ChatGPT. And don't, bro, this one, y'all be trying to pull this move around the teacher as well. Be like, number 2 is, I think, C. And be all be scrolling on ChatGPT all the time, bro. I don't hear nothing from y'all. Y'all are master cheaters, bro. Master cheaters, bro. I'm telling y'all. Y'all know that one kid? He be like this. Be trying to cheat. Or be, he'll do the, let me click right here. But, yeah, let's see. So, bam. Alright. Hey, leave me alone, pal. Oh, shoot. Wait, hold on. I'm acting like Unc right now, bro. Why am I rusty with the computer? Am I serious? Yo! Am I serious, bro? Am I serious, chat? Am I serious? But, what the huh? Oh, yeah, right here. I don't know, what was that? I'm a little rusty with it. But don't get mad at me, because I know y'all know how to use ChatGPT. You know, I ain't lying. So you want to do that? Flippy switchy. Flippy switchy. That's all you gotta do. A little razzle dazzle. But we gonna do this, and we gonna react to that GTA 6 trailer and a couple exception vids of Stream University this stream. I got some things coming for y'all, but I want to keep it a surprise. I want to keep it a surprise. You know, I'm already. Hey, this is level one. This is level one. Level one. It only goes up from here, y'all. Only goes up from here. I got some things coming. And it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. But hold on. During the development, okay, all right, here. Y'all don't know how to read, so I'm gonna read this passage. Starting from during under feedback. During the development of the IMDb Top 1000 Movie Browser app in Code.org's App Lab, feedback was instrumental in refining the user interface and enhancing user experience. For instance, user suggestions to improve navigation led to addition of features like PAG. Hey, cut this out. I need an editor for that one. Hold on. That was a typo. We just gonna step over to the question. But skip over. All right. I think I was in testing. I was in the testing part. I think I was in the testing. I think I was in testing. The testing portion for my app, after adding pieces of my code, such as the data set and list to my application, and finding bugs and errors in my program and fixing them. I used the testing portion for my app after adding pieces of my code, this is bad. Am I stuttering, bro? I think I'm, bro. Yeah, this is bad, bro. Oh, this is bad. Oh, nah. But I know how to read, bro. I'm not a bonehead. I'm not a goofy man. I'm not stupid man, bro. I'm a smart man, bro. Ask any of my classmates. Bro, I ask anybody in my class, bro. Like, they say I'm the smartest person in there, bro. They say I'm the smartest person in there, bro. I'm telling you, I got the highest grade, bro. I'm the best in my class, for real. Like, I'm the best. Bro, I'm smart. I know this stuff. I know this, man. Look at this app, bro. Look at this app. Look at this app. I'm gonna show you all the app, though. Let's see this app. So, this is the app. Hold on. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. Something was off. It must be the water. I don't know. But let's get back to the assignment. I don't know. Something must be off. But testing portion for my app after adding pieces on my code, such as the data set and lists to my application, and finding bugs and errors in my program and fixing them. So that is part one for the testing. According to my calculations, if I go on to the third sentence, I should be able to get a 10 out of 10 on this assignment. Yes, okay. So, Um, um, I, uh, okay, yeah, I gotta go on to the next portion. Okay. All right. Yeah, I need to calm down. I'm tweaking. All right. Reflection. Post development, reflecting on analyzing user engagement and critics and user feedback, and it's reflective highlighted areas for improvement, such as optimizing the loading speed of movie data and enhancing responsiveness of the user interface. Okay. Post development reflection. So we're gonna start off with something a little razzle dazzle, if you know what I mean. For my reflection, okay, I know how to type as well. Stop playing with me. Your boy is smart, bro. I'm not a stupid man, bro. I can show you my grades right now. I'm not a stupid man, bro. I'm not a stupid man. I got a 3.0, bro. 3.0. I'm smart man, bro. Ask anybody who know me. I'm smart man for real, bro. I answered all the questions. I answered all the questions in class, bro. I'm smart man. I'm smart man. I got awards on the wall. I got awards on the wall. I'll show y'all right now. All right, for my reflection, for my reflection, for my reflection, I asked my surrounding. Yo, what's up, Layla? You wanna say hi for the stream? And this Layla, this is my little sister. Anyways, we will continue with the homework. So, for my reflection, I asked my surrounding neighbors in the computer lab. Asked my surrounding neighbors what did they think about the app location. At first, it only displayed 10 movies. Come and dig a house. All right. All right. It only displayed 10 movies. So, my surrounding neighbors requested the full 1,000 movies on the top. Yo, I sound like a kindergarten, right? A kindergarten. Bro, I know. I'm a smart man for real. I'm not playing this, bro. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this. Top. Hold on. Let's see this. In the IMDb top 1,000 list. And on the top IMDb 1,000 list. It only displayed the top 10 movies on the IMDb top 1,000 list. So my surrounding neighbors requested the full 1,000 movies. I don't have to reiterate it again because it already states it in earlier in the sentence. So it's not a run-on sentence, hopefully. Hey, I know my grammar and punctuation and my reading comprehension. All right. It requested the full 1,000 movies on the list. All right. I think we got it. Let's go, bro. I'm smooth. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Okay. Now for the first part of this equation. Equivalent Boolean expression for the first conditional statements. Assuming the first conditional statement in the app's procedure is JavaScript. If current page plus 10, less than movie's length, parentheses, right bracket, I think. Current page plus equals 10, yeah. No, semicolon. Update movies. Update movies display. Current page, parentheses, semicolon, left bracket, left bracket, left bracket, left bracket. The equivalent balloon expression for this would be current page plus 10 movies length. Consider the first conditional statement included in the procedure section of your personalized project reference. Oh, shoot. In your personalized what the in your personalized project reference, write an equivalent Boolean expression. Consider the first conditional statement. Write an equivalent Boolean expression for this conditional statement. Alright, so I have to write something similar to this, basically. I don't know. So I think we do parentheses. If parentheses. Yeah, alright, so yeah. If parentheses current page plus 10. Alright. And then we do bam, bam, movies link, movies dot link. I think it is. Alright, I think it is. I don't know. Alright. Consider the procedure identified in part 1. Yeah, this question's also in there. Alright, yeah. Yo, chat, what's up, chat? What's up, chat? Hey, y'all could talk, bro. Y'all could talk. Come on. Y'all can say stuff. Y'all can say stuff. Y'all can say stuff. Yo, what's up, chat? But how y'all doing, though? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Alright, let's see what we doing. Consider the project. Beyond using the test cases, another effective strategy is to test the correctness of the update movies display. Procedure is code walkthroughs. Okay. Consider the procedure identified in part 1 of the procedure section. Identify the strategy other than using test cases that you can use to test the correctness of your procedure. Describe how you would use this strategy. What the hold on. If I copied and paste this What? What the? What? Yo. Beyond using test cases, another effective strategy. Yeah, I'm playing with the mic. Yo, I'm playing with the mic. Yo, can y'all hear me? Anyways, beyond using test cases, another effective strategy to test the correctness of the update movie's display procedure is code walkthroughs. Code walkthroughs. Okay, code, not cold, code walkthroughs. Alright, so code walkthroughs. Description. This involves reviewing the code line by line with peers, mentors to identify logical errors, inconsistencies, or areas for improvement. Application. In the context, update moves by in the context, update moves by procedure wants to focus on ensuring the correct substance of movies is displayed based on the start index and the okay. Yeah. Oh wow. I'm already getting a headache already. Wow, I'm not even in math. Okay. Benefits. Code walkthroughs facilitate collaborative problem solving and can uncover issues automated test might miss. Okay. Yeah, what am I searching up? Alright. So oh shoot. Alright. Consider the procedure identified in part one, identified a strategy other than using test cases that you could use to test the correctness of your procedure. Describe how you would use the strategy. So what test cases are there? There's description. Hold on. Oh, all right. I was overthinking this. Okay. In the context, actual focus on description. Okay. So, hold on. Yeah, I did that. No. Yeah, I did that. Identify a strategy other than using test cases that you can use to test the correctness of my procedure. I can test the correctness of my procedure by going line by reading line by line on my code on my code. Alright. Alright, let's do that. I think that should be good. Hey, hold on. Hold on, chat. Alright, I think we got that. Yeah, we got that, man. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, slam, 100-yard man. Alright. Let's go. Alright, chat. Alright. Subproblem addressed by the procedure. The update movies display procedure addresses the subproblem of displaying a specific subset of movies on the user interface explanation. Task accomplished. The procedure takes its start index parameter, calculates the appropriate range of the movie titles to display. Okay, so let's read the problem. Consider a procedure identified in part one of the procedure section of your personalized project reference. Procedures are often used to organize larger problems into subproblems or smaller tasks. Identify the subproblem being solved or or task that is being accomplished by a procedure. Okay. Consider the procedure identified in part one. Yo, I know how to read, you guys. I'm butchering this badly. Yo, this is wow. All right, all right, chat. Look, I know how to read, bro. Just chill. I know how to read. Yo, hold on. Bro, I need to plug it. Yo, what the? All right, chat. Consider the procedure identified in part I or one of the procedure section of your personalized project reference. Procedures are often used to organize larger problems into subproblems or smaller tasks. Organize larger problems into subproblems. Okay. Or smaller tasks. Identify the subproblem being solved or task that is being accomplished by your procedure. Explain how the procedure is used to accomplish the overall functionality of your program. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, I see what it's asking now. Okay. All right, man. Task accomplished. Procedure takes start index parameter, calculates the appropriate range of movie titles to display, and updates the user interface. Bro, I gotta plug in, bro. Are you serious, bro? On stream? Bro, are we serious? Are we serious, bro? I'm tweaking, yo. I need chill. I need chill. Chill. See you play. 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 Yo, what is this? All right, bet. All right. Like I said, oh shoot, I gotta plug in this. My bad, chat. Hold on. I gotta plug this in. Hold on. Oh shoot. Oh, sorry. Technical difficulties over here. Technical difficulties that I'm accomplishing. Hold on. Yeah, it's right here. Yep. All right, we back in business, boys. All right, let's go. Task accomplished. Procedure takes the start index. All right, let's see what they talking about. Okay. Uh, let's see. The procedure uses the start index start index parameter takes its takes the start index parameter and calculates and grabs the correct range of movie titles to display to display. S'il te plaît. Aïe, 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 mami, Enrique. Alright. Alright. And updates the user interface. Yo, hold on. Yo, what is going on? And updates user interface. Alright, bro. Yo, we good? Yo, we good, chat? Hold on. Yo, we good, chat. We good. Alright, we good though. We good. Alright. This procedure is integral to the app's. This feature allows the. Wow, this is not a veggie sandwich, bro. Are we serious? Y'all joking. Yo, yeah, wait. To navigate. Ah, my stomach. Alright. Through the list of movies. Of movies. And manageable in good sized chunks. This ensures easy user interface remain this ensures easy user interface and allows users to easily get around and use the app. To easily use the app. Alright. Wow, okay. Whew. Wow. What the Hold on, I'm gonna check this first part.